Do not go the pliers. There has been many a story of someone who's gone, just not working. Gosh. Oh, it's so good. G'day guys, what's cracking? Thanks so much for joining me today. And just a little pause before we get into the fun and this little hack I want to show you. Thank you so much to those who have subscribed. Like, the numbers just keep ticking along and ticking up, and I'm like, man, it's so kind of you, so encouraging, so investing, and I'm so thankful. So I just wanted to say thank you. I'm just thrilled. If you want to be part of the action, you know what to do. Subscribe down below. If you like any of this, give us a thumbs up, because this is really epic. So you know when you put a filter on, and sometimes there's these neutral density filters, that what happens is you put them on your lens and then you turn your lens to get a different darkness or a different lightness effect as you do. But the problem is they get stuck on, and then when you go to pull them off, you can't get hold of them because you're using the swivel ring at the top, right? And the other scenario is this one, where you use a step-up ring, and you put a step-up ring on your filter kit and you take it off, and the step-up ring is either attached to the lens or it's attached to the inside of the filter kit. What do? Do not go the pliers. Do not go the pliers. There has been many a story of someone who's gone, well, the lens is worth more than the filter. I'm just going to crack the filter open with a hammer and then use pliers to wrench this thing off. Don't do that. Don't do that. There's an easy hack. I've worked it out how to do it. And it came the other day because I got stuck in this precarious position and I needed to problem solve. And I realized in the kitchen drawer, we have a thing called like a super grip cloth. This is one of those things that you use to open jars with, or you stick under your mat on tiles. Stops the thing going. I'll put a link in the description below of where you can pick up this stuff. I think IKEA, I'm not sure where else in the world IKEA sells this, but I know in Australia you can buy a massive roll of this from IKEA for like 10 or 20 bucks. It's actually the liner that goes in a lot of drawers. But watch it, right? So you just stick it on and you gently hold the outside, and it just grips. It just grips, and you can take off, you can loosen your ring so it can come off. Now, while I've got you, I use the beauty of video just to get in there on that one and save us all some time. So this is a step-up ring, and it's caught inside the filter, right? And the other day I'm like, all you've got is this to grip hold of. I can't get it out, but you use this, you just don't place it on the glass, just on the metal, and it gives your finger something to grip to, and lo and behold, out it comes. Now, back to our initial problem, what about this one that goes round and round? Now, when you tighten these on, you should put them on, tighten them all the way up, not tight, but do it all the way up, and then I go a little bit too tight, and then I back it off a tiny bit. So there's this kind of break point, and that you're looking for the start of the break point, because you don't want any light seeping in, but you don't want this sucker braked on because you'll never get it off. But here's the beauty of it. You put your little grip master over both edges of the dial on the filter and also the filter itself, and then you apply a gentle pressure. Gentle pressure. That's all you need. If you have massive guns like me, just go calm, go still, and problem solved. Have a great day, everybody. My hat is never on straight. Maybe my whole body is crooked and my hat's always straight.